The Green City Market Barbecue is right around the corner, September 7th. Mark your calendars. I'm Lisa Counts, the executive chef of the Chopping Block, and I am going to demonstrate one of the components of my dish this year. I am utilizing peaches from Ellis Family Farms to make a sweet, savory, spicy, sour peach mostarda, which is going to pair excellent with our charcuterie in a bite dish. So first off, we're going to small dice our peaches. You can peel them, you don't have to peel them, but I like to make them nice and small. Once they're all diced, we're going to add it to our pot. On a high heat, we are going to add some salt, some pepper. If you want to make it really spicy, you can add a lot of cayenne, but we've got whole mustard seeds, yellow mustard seeds. We've got sugar. We've got honey. And you can use any vinegar of your choice. Today I'm using apple cider vinegar. For that extra mustardy kick, we're gonna add some mustard powder as well. And you're just gonna give this a stir. Now, peach mostarda is kind of like a chutney, if you will. You can have it thick or thin. There is no right or wrong with this dish. And you just wanna cook it down until the peaches are nice and softened and most of the sauce is gone. You can also use a masher to mash this up if you wanted it to be a smoother consistency. So that is our fresh peach mostarda that we are going to pair with our duck prosciutto, duck rillettes, some blue cheese mousse, and a baguette crisp. So check us out at the Green City Market Barbecue, September 7th.